Hey guys, Steve here for ShiftPower USA. I want to show you a new product that just launched in the USA, the ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller. A new product that has changed the driving experience for many people in South America over the past few years, and now it has arrived here in the US. There are plenty of performance modifications you can make to your vehicle. Add a cold air intake, exhaust modifications, or more in-depth engine component changes. But the ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller is by far the simplest, quickest, and most affordable way to increase your vehicle's performance and achieve greater driving pleasure with immediate results. I'm confident you will feel the difference. So let's go and see what it's all about. Stay with us until the end and check out the reaction of those who drive with ShiftPower for the very first time. ShiftPower is an electronic module that allows you to adjust your vehicle's acceleration response, eliminating the annoying throttle delay found in most cars and trucks. Now let's go ahead and unbox this, look at all the components, and let's talk about them. This harness connects the accelerator pedal connector inside of the vehicle. The vehicle's harness connector is unplugged from the accelerator pedal and then plugged into this connector of the product. The other side of the harness is connected back into the accelerator pedal. And that's it, all secure with factory-grade connectors and harnesses. Now here's the small electronic module and the lighted control button that we will talk about in a minute. Included is a user manual, both in English and in Spanish, along with wire ties to secure the harness and the module. Let's see how the phone application works, and then let's get this installed. Download the smartphone application for either Android or iOS to enjoy greater control and customize the response. A Bluetooth connection between your phone or tablet and ShiftPower makes this easy. There are 4 preset driving modes. For day-to-day traffic or a slightly sportier experience, Dynamic or Sport mode is used. Now if you want a more aggressive response at the track, Super Sport or Race mode is used. Easily select these modes at any percentage of added response using the phone application, or simply use the lighted button here to select the modes. Now the button will change colors to correspond to the mode either selected using the button or the smartphone. In addition to the driving modes, ShiftPower has 2 safety modes. The valet mode, which limits the throttle acceleration when you leave the car at the car wash or parking valet, eliminating possible misuse of your vehicle when you're away. The lock mode allows you to completely block or disable the throttle pedal function, serving as an additional anti-theft device. Operation of ShiftPower is very simple and intuitive. It can be done either through the button installed in the car or through the smartphone application, where it is possible to achieve a higher level of throttle response customization. And how does it work? It is necessary for the vehicle to have an electronic accelerator pedal, which is the system used in most vehicles today. These vehicles normally have a very noticeable delay between the movement of the accelerator pedal when pressed and the actual engine response. This is where ShiftPower comes in. It works by advancing the accelerator response in a personalized way to compensate for delay, allowing for a greater driving experience no matter your driving style or how the vehicle is being used. Check our website to confirm your specific vehicle application. How is it installed in my car? Well, let's take a look at this Camaro and see how easy it is to install. Locate the connector at the accelerator pedal and disconnect it. Then plug it into the ShiftPower harness connector. Connect the other ShiftPower connector back into the pedal assembly connector. Connect the button using this red connector. Mount the button in a convenient location like I have done here using the double-sided stick tape on the back of the button. Bluetooth pair the ShiftPower to your smartphone or tablet, and that's it. Another question is whether ShiftPower is compatible with my car. Well, the answer is almost certainly yes. Right now, there are over 300 compatible vehicles, and we are increasing the number of new applications every day. Access the website and use the vehicle search function to find the kit for your specific vehicle. Does ShiftPower work on manual and automatic transmissions? What about diesel engines or engines with turbos? Well, there is no restriction on the type of transmission or engine, as the accelerator pedal technology is the same. What about increasing power and fuel consumption? Well, ShiftPower advances the accelerator response, so the feeling is that there is a power gain, but in fact, the actual power remains the same. Therefore, fuel consumption will depend solely on your driving style. Does it really work? Can you really feel the difference? Well, to answer these questions, nothing is better than the opinion of those who already have it and felt the experience of driving with ShiftPower. Here are a couple of those video clips.
Whoa! Wow, that's quick.
Whoa!
Wow, there's no lag.
This is another FAFTech solution. They have been developing solutions to make your car more complete for over 10 years. Are you ready for a whole new driving experience? If so, visit us at shiftpowerusa.com.